What's this alien bird walking on the water with so many feet under its body? Meet the jacana, the lily-trotters. With its distinctive long toes and striking appearance, the jacana is a bird species found in tropical regions around the world. The strange wading birds are known as Jesus birds for their ability to walk on lily pads. Thanks to its long, slender toes and lightweight body, the jacana can navigate across floating vegetation with ease. To protect the chicks, the babies will crawl under the wings, and then the jacana will carry them off to safety. That's why all you can see are many legs and feet dangling from under the wings. In most bird species, it's the female who incubates the eggs and cares for the young. However, in the world of jacanas, the roles are reversed. Instead of the female incubating the eggs and caring for the young, the male does it. What a super dad!